traders, it's Yanis here from Nikos Trading Academy, and I would like to welcome you to our weekly Renko forecast. I will start with CADCHF, and this is why actually we are already in on this trade. And what we had was a really nice powerful retracement. We were waiting actually both directions. We got a false breakout, but what happens, price still going long. And we have a really nice combination. So it's not only that I'm going for this area, but actually I was hoping price breaking this range and going for these highs here or even higher. Since we look at the bigger picture, you can see price has been going short from this crossover for 4,000 pips. So if I can get as a retracement half of them, I wouldn't mind. And you can see that I'm already in, going maybe for this one or 2,500 or 370 or even all the way up here, 5,000 pips. You never know. We already have multiple bottoms reaction and everything meets our criteria, our system, price is going long, and I would like also for you to focus long if you can. Let's go to our second group of pairs, and I would like to go straight to oil. Now on oil, again we are already in. Our last position runs for 660 pips. Of course we have our win-win scenario. We have trailed our APO logged profits now with 370 pips, and again what I would like is to continue long. Why? This is why. Again, the bigger picture. So I will be targeting 3,500 pips more. I have nothing to lose. I'm already a winner out of this. What I'm targeting is with my last position 4,000 pips or even more. Just let your last position run. Let it run. No harm done. Oil, focusing long, of course, we would like to get a setup above our resistance area. Now, all these scenarios, of course, we check them day by day when we go through our trading room on every day, sorry. So whenever something happens, we adjust. Now on Aussie yen, what you see here is what I'm waiting for. Again, I have a very powerful trend line broken, I have a wedge, and I would like to get another setup above this resistance. Where am I going for? I'm going for 500 pips. Could that be also for even higher? Easily. So I won't be going only for 500, maybe for 2,000, 3,000 pips. Again, the big picture. If I look at the bigger picture, I won't have any problems getting my account bigger and bigger. Long also on Aussie CHF. Now USDCHF, we don't have any indication yet to go long, but we have analyzed it, we have applied our system, and what we would like to go, where we would like to go, it's long. We don't try to guess, we don't try to anticipate, we just apply our system, and when we do that, when we do the top-down approach, and that says long, I focus that away. So let's see if we can get a setup to go long on USD CHF. And another one from our fourth group is CHF yen. What happens here? Again, you can see after this kind of a range situation, I have a reaction, I have a trend line break, I have everything pointing long. Now, of course, it's a matter of patience. When will I get the setup? When will I get the chance to go long? I don't know. And actually, I don't care. What I care about is to have volatility. I'm trading Renko because I want volatility. Renko filters out a lot of noise. I have here done my top-down approach, and that approach says wait for a long opportunity. And that's what I will do. Will it take 1 week? 1 day? I don't know. But I know what I'm looking for. I know what I'm waiting for. And of course, when I get the opportunity, I will be there to take the trade. These are the pairs that I think for the beginning of the week look a little bit more promising. Again, of course, as I said, every day on our live room, we will check every pair and see and trying to find opportunities. Thank you very much. Have a beautiful weekend and see you on Monday with our top-down approach. Bye-bye, everybody. Stay safe.